Let's see Lillian's.
Alright, eat it.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Eat it.
Eat it, Lil. Let's see yours, Caroline. Put it in your palm. Mommy can't see it. In your hand. Hold it down. Mommy can't see it, Sissy.
Hand open. Open your hand. Put it in it.
Oh, yummy. You're going, let's see you. Do you like it? Oh, Madeline crunched hers all up. Here you go, sis. Eat it, Sissy.
Eat it.
No, we don't like that one.
Salt on it.
Next, bugs. Oh, Daddy, she's got it. Let's see her hand, Daddy. Oh, look, Sissy, here's your cricket. Mim. What's in her hand?
Eat it.
Are those good, Lillian? You like your bugs? Oh, I missed it.
Sit down.